first water crossing. And on my super custom snorkel. Can't buy that.
Children jumping off the stations one by one. His woman and his best friend in bed and having fun. Oh, he's crawling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Oh, Charlie stole the handle and the train it won't stop going. No, it took slow. Silence howling catches angels as they fall, and the all-time winner has got him by the balls. Oh, he picks up Gideon's Bible, open at page 1.
Coolin' under the sun, having big fun, soaking it in. Coolin'. And when it's done, we're gonna do it all over again. Coolin', you and that one under the sun, soaking it in. Coolin'. It's hard to work on a sunny day. I'd rather find shade and sip lemonade, 'cause that's my favorite juice. And when it's hot, ladies, put on your bathing suits and meet us at finish in a pair of heels. Then skate on the pier to the Ferris wheel. We'll chill as the waves come crashing in. Then build sandcastles in the sand. I feel the glare.
No wheel stands this time.
Kinda cool to ride jet skis, that's what I'ma do. North Shore on the beach at Waikiki, with the pair of shorts on where you might see me. Just chillin', getting my Long Island on, and we'll limbo dance till the cows come home. Coolin', under the sun, having big fun, soaking it in. Coolin', and when it's done, we're gonna do it all over again. Coolin', you and that one under the sun, soaking it in. Coolin'. It's hard to stay put in LA. I gotta see the world and just get away. 'Cause I'd go crazy here, being stuck in the same old place for years. Save up a little money when we get paid, then hop on a plane to Montego Bay. Dance hall, lamb spread, and Caribbean girls. Pastime when I get a little sick of the world. I'm like a castaway on the island trying to just pass my days. But if I had Ginger and Mary Ann, we'd have got a lot closer than Gilligan. Living in such natural conditions, cooling the breeze, coconuts and palm trees. But then again, it's just a dream. I'm gone for a short spell, then I'm back in California. Cooling under the sun, having big fun, soaking it in. Cooling, and when it's done, we're gonna do it all over again. Cooling. You and that one under the sun, soaking it in. Coolin'.
Paul, what happened?
It didn't go as planned.
Oh, okay.